Well, good evening, everyone. So I wanted to get a quick touch bases here on how to get your gauge cluster sent out. So with it being winter, it's a little easier to work on stuff like this. So you're not having to worry about moving the vehicle or anything. It's going to be sitting for a while. So one thing you see here, I do have some added help. Leo's going to help, aren't you? I think he just likes sitting in that spot. So your gauge cluster. So first things first, when you go to pull it out, you're going to have that, as well as your reset, and then there's a spring in there in the bag. You do not want to lose those. The nice thing is you don't need to send any of that out to be fixed. So with this, you can see it's from ISSPRO. So that is who I'll be sending this out to. So this is some quick information on, what they need and everything. So since they don't need the cover, you still need to protect all these needles, because you can see I could just push on that and that moves. So just a piece of cardboard, and you could rubber band that around. Tape, you just want to be sure, if you're using tape, if you have any stickers like that on the side, do not throw the tape over that. You want to leave that to where they have access to it and the tape is not going to rip it off. So with that taped, the other important information they will need is here. Let me move that. So the other important information they're going to need is here. So they're going to need your name, your address, as well as an email and phone number to contact you by. It does not hurt to list your part numbers that are on the sticker of the gauge cluster, as well as your mileage. So depending on your odometer, like mine, my odometer, it quit working on me shortly after parking it here. So I had my mileage written down from my last trip when I parked it here on the property, and that's when this quit working. So I had my mileage, which makes this great. And they can reset this. If you don't give them a mileage, they're just going to set it at a 0. So quick, easy information. And the other thing is that you want to you coming out, stretching. So with that information, where you're going to want to send this is to ISSPRO, as well as you want to tag it to Attention Service Department. And I will show that information up here on the screen, as well as I will put it down in the comments and everything, so it's easy to find. But something quick, easy. Send it out in just a box with some packing paper. So depending on how long it takes for them to get it, you should hear something back within a week on cost and everything to get it fixed. So not only are they going to fix the issue you're having, they're going to run a full diagnostic on all the gauges. So you know all the gauges are working great. They'll give you a quote for any damaged components that need to be replaced. So like with mine, not only is my mileage not working, you can see here, I got a crack in that screen. So they'll also add that to the quote to get that fixed, which is great. So there you go, guys. A quick little video on just the information that they need to get that fixed for you. So if you like the video, leave a comment, hit the like button. If you want to see more, I will see you in the next video. Thanks.